Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Welcome back to the night Benidorm town. We are right next to the Hotel Belroy at the famous Mediterranean Avenue. Nearby we have the Hotel Simbel, and right in front of us the glorious, gorgeous, incredible Levante Beach. And today's walking tour will be around the Mediterranean Avenue to show you how it has changed with the arrival of autumn and how many businesses actually stay open till later in the day. What is the atmosphere towards the second half of October? You're about to find out. First of all, as you can see, the buses are still running. Usually the public bus service here in Benidorm ends at around midnight. Even in winter time, there are buses almost up until midnight time that will bring you through the city center towards Rincon de Loix, or even up until Altea, Albir, or Alfaz del Pi. All the typical shops like Chinese bazaars will still remain open approximately up until 9:30 to 10 p.m. Even the Toy Planet, which is one of the famous toy shops for children or for people all ages that want to grab something fun for them, even board games, table games to play, especially in winter and colder seasons. This is where you can purchase some of these. The famous Tony Roma's. It's an incredible place. A lot of people simply love the food that they're preparing. And this is the menu. You can pause it and check it out. Burgers from 11 euros up until 15. Starters. Almost all of them, with the exception of 2, are below 10 euros. Angus burgers, 15 euros. Veggie burger, that's very nice actually. And then we have pasta for pasta lovers, 13 euros. Fresh salads, 13. Grill, between 13 and 22, and much more. These are the typical prices right now that you can find in Benidorm. Tony Roma's is always busy, even in outside of the summer season, in autumn, and even in winter months. They have incredible food. People know it, people love it. So a lot of locals and tourists are actually visiting Tony Roma's, especially to have a nice evening meal. The shops that are more oriented towards Spanish are closing down earlier. As you can see right here, this is a shop for pajamas, underwear for men and women, etc. So it closes up slightly earlier. Here we have typical supermarket. They say there's British products out there. Mostly it's alcohol like cider, etc. But all the rest are usual products, with some t-shirts that I hope YouTube will not say to us anything, because the phrases on these are quite interesting. Then we have Angel Feet. This is hairdresser and feet spa, massage, a pedicure, manicure, etc. And there's a brand new shop here. Look at this, Sweetland. Actually, it's very nice. I love these neon lights. It's very fun. Look at this, candy and more. I suppose you can purchase typical candies out here in like these small little bags where they charge you per how many grams it actually is. They even decorated for Halloween. Ooh, love it. We love it. There's something for Halloween pre-packed already. Chocolates, some light snacks in small bags, etc. Jewelry shops are open, even shoes and shoe wear in general, and bags and accessories places like this are open. Ooh, they have discounts still. There are still some shops that offer discounts for summer shoes. However, you can also find discounted options for this autumn season, which is really nice. Jewelry, mostly watches, for 5 euros. That's really cheap. 50% special discount. I don't know. These are leather things. These are coats, jackets, etc. of leather. A lot of people right now, they're against it. They're against using animal type of products, especially leather, like true authentic leather, which is why really not a lot of people are buying things out there any longer. Obviously, it's expensive too, but people just don't want to waste money on something that's made from the animals. They prefer synthetic, good quality, like synthetic leather. So no one is going there, which is why they're putting really, really high discounts in hope that someone might still be coming to these shops. Les Dunes Suites. This is the building from the Les Dunes Hotel. Right nearby, there's Les Dunes Suites, which is where you can get an entire apartment for you on the front line of the Levante Beach if you're coming here on holidays. Here we have first line of the Levante Beach, 350,000, 285,000, from 160,000 euros. Vacational rental, first line of the beach, more than 500,000 of these. Ooh, second line, 231,000. Look at this huge house in Alfaz del Pi, 980,000. Prices are insane right now. Oh, the bus number 2. See, the buses are still running perfectly. The prices for real estate properties are insane right now. We here on the channel have started a brand new saga, which we have created a special playlist for, which are properties in Benidorm. And there you can find 2 videos already. One of them is of Upper Rincon de Loich near the Natural Park, both for houses and apartments. And the second one is of the Levante Beach and Mediterranean Avenue. And there you can find a lot of useful information for all those of you who are planning on purchasing a property here in Benidorm town. Not a lot of you know that we have our immigration business. Apart from YouTube, apart from doing tours for our subscribers, we have an immigration office, which is where we work with some of the best lawyers and specialists. And obviously, I myself am doing a lot of the things as an independent real estate agent. And we can find the home for you in this sunny Benidorm, the home of your dreams. We can check the property. We can help you with the documents, with the paperwork, taxes, visits, everything you should know so that you could get quick and the best property possible for the best price here in Benidorm town. So if you need this type of services or you will need them in the future, you can write down our official website, which is this one right here on the screen. You can also send us an email right here or contact us by WhatsApp. We also do NIE numbers, the European Union residence certificate here. We help to open bank accounts, put children into private or public schools, help you to get the private insurance necessary to live here in Benidorm, and a lot more of services. So contact us if you need anything like this, and we will be your people of trust here in Costa Blanca, in Valencian community, in particular Benidorm town. See another shop of leather right here that is saying total sale. These shops have been here forever, but right now no one is actually going there. Cafe India, menu of the day, $15.95. That's actually very nice, and it's quite busy. Pizza and Grill, this is a brand new, well, it's been here for a while, but it's not as old, which is Molta Pasta. This is an Italian place. They have some tapas, caña, drink 260, wine and tapa, croquetas 6 for €5. Obviously, they have some pasta selection here as well. Some more bars. Ooh, the ceiling is very nice. I love these lights. There are many of the businesses, especially restaurants here on the Mediterranean Avenue, that are not closing in the evening up until the last client will leave. So even in winter time, even in November, December months, when we will be exploring Benidorm, Alicante and surrounding areas, you will be able to see that Benidorm is still not empty. Many of the businesses, mostly shops or nail salons, hairdressers, this is something that will be closed later in the evening once the sun will be setting down. However, all the rest of the businesses like bars, restaurants, pubs, maybe Chinese bazaars, supermarkets, all this will still remain open up until at least 9:30, even 10 p.m. or even more, depending on the area where they are located. Typically, Mediterranean Avenue is the one, city center, Rincon de Lodge, and the British area. These businesses stay up slightly longer because even in winter, there's a lot of people out here. The gorgeous Don Pancho Hotel is right in front of us. I am a fan of this hotel, I must say. It's incredible. It's so lovely inside. The atmosphere is great, especially for as an adult's recommended hotel. It's full of luxury. I love the furniture, the design that they've chosen, the services that they provide, and the food. We filmed actually not only the hotel from the inside, but also the restaurant buffet. I'm going to leave you the links here in the description. In the first comment below the video, you will have two links for the video of this hotel. Check it out if you are planning on staying there, because you will be able to see all the food that they usually put, what the buffet is looking like, what the hotel is looking like. It's a complete tour of the Hotel Don Pancho. This place usually receives quite a lot of people. They have some nice cocktails here. This is La Ricotta. This is the terrace of theirs. This is mostly for drinks. They also offer some pizzas, etc. for those who love to stay here on the terrace. Pasta, Italian fresh food, meat options, pizza options. Why? Because their restaurant is right here down the corner. So they have all these offers here: salads, Angus, burger, quite nice one by the way. And the main building is right here. So for those who do not want to stay on this terrace, they have the option on the Mediterranean Avenue right around the corner. This must be a great place because we always see a lot of people in it. Just look at this. If you've been to La Ricotta, let us know if you enjoyed your meal, because seems to be very nice place to have a lovely dinner. And they've even decorated for Halloween. That's nice. Look at that. More and more places each day start to decorate for Halloween, because basically it's just 2 weeks left, even less, until we will celebrate Halloween. So many businesses, more and more each year, are decorating at least a tiny bit for the holidays. Steak Bali, that's interesting. I Amsterdam, I Benidorm. That's interesting. Phrases. This is a Netherlands, I think, restaurant. And they have some lovely food as well, I must say. Mostly people from the same country that miss their food, that wants to get to know people that speak their same language, are gathering in this restaurant. But the food, as people say, is quite nice in here. Some new restaurants are supposed to open in this area because everything is closed, but clean, nice and tidy. So that's actually very interesting. Some more restaurants and terraces out here right on the Levante Beach. Obviously, this is where the vast majority of people will be coming. This is the place. This is King Coco, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is the King Coco. Lovely place as well for cocktails and drinks. And as you could have seen, Benidorm does not sleep. Even right now, mid-autumn, there's a lot of places that are still open even at night time in Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us. Bye, dears.